Hi all, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about some tips and tricks to make your life as a mom easier. I'm also a mom of a little toddler, so I know the difficulties more than anyone else. So let's look into the hacks. Point number 1, meal plan. It is always necessary to have a meal plan as it helps to make healthier choices. It also reduces wastage of food and helps to save money too. Meal planning helps us to analyze the grocery need to be purchased. Hence, preparation of shopping list becomes easier. Similarly, include leftovers in your meal plan as it reduces your workload. Keeping the veggies and fruits chopped according to the meal plan makes the work even easier. Point number 2, shop online. Make all your shopping online so that you don't need to spend time traveling to market. Create a favorite list so that you only need to add extra items which are purchased occasionally. Create a to-do list for shopping in which shopping for the future need to be included. Point number 3, plan forward. Your preparation for a day should start the previous day. Keep all your kids' school essentials ready the previous night or can allocate a separate cabinet for it. This makes your work easy during the morning rush. Point number 4, sort the toys. Toys clutter are the headaches for most of us. Designate a place for toys. Placing drawer units is an effective way. Train your kids to place back the toys to its place. Place a donation box so that the toys that are not used can go to that box. Point number 5, planning. The basic of every time-saving routine is planning. I would like to suggest to you to spend a small amount to purchase a planner. Just planner is not enough. You should allocate at least half an hour daily to write your plans. Always stick to your planned routine. Sticking to your routine and completing your task gives you satisfaction. Point number 6, bill payment. Allocate a day in the month to make all your bill payments. Setting reminder on your phone can help you to make the payment before the due date. Nowadays, technologies are so advanced, so you can also opt for automated bill payment, which makes your task even more easier. Point number 7, utilize your mornings. Maybe you are a night owl, but as a mom it's very important to become a morning person. At least try to get up an hour before your kids are up. This gives you extra time for self-care. Try to complete the majority of the task in the morning so that evenings are much more calm and enjoyable. Point number 8, keep items stocked in car. Few essential and emergency items for kids such as wet wipes, bottles, diapers, if required, few snacks, few small toys, etc. I would also recommend you to carry a bin so that kids do not throw any trash in the car. Carrying a potty chair will also be helpful for long travels where there is no availability of toilets. Point number 9, laundry routine. Do at least one load of laundry daily, which does not allow piling up of dirty clothes. Involve your kids while hanging up the clothes to dry. This reduces your work effort. Place a basket near your washing machine and instruct your family to throw the dirty clothes in that basket. Point number 10, get out of perfection and say no. If you are a perfectionist, then it is difficult. Perfection requires more of your time. Hence, at least for some period of time, don't be perfectionist. Perfection creates stress too. Saying no is okay. Do not stress yourself by accepting all the requests of your family. Motherhood is not any kind of magic to make it simple. Keep practicing and make it perfect. It keeps us busy, but certain tips and tricks can make it lot more easier. Hope this video is helpful. See you again with another video. Until then, bye bye.